We are the end of the road for a lot of companies and engineers. When you can't make your deadline, we can. We're going to do it better and we're going to do it faster. 0 Hour Parts is a rapid prototyping machine shop. We regularly have requests for next day turnarounds, and that is not out of our realm of possibility. 0 Hour Parts serves a multitude of industries: aerospace, medical prototyping, really anything that's complicated that other people don't want to touch, we get involved.
We're running titanium parts with very tight GD&T tolerancing pretty much every day, all day. And we're delivering those parts in a 10-day standard lead time. We've been told that everyone else in the industry is offering 6 weeks as their standard lead time. We're beating that by a month, and we offer expedites up to 24 hours. Our motto is we want to have quotes back to the customer in under 4 hours to show that we can get you your part as soon as possible. We were nowhere close to hitting our 4-hour quote window before Paperless, and we live inside that window now.
We run a very tight schedule because we need to know where that window of opportunity lives, because our nature is a quick turn prototype. Before Paperless Parts, it was very cumbersome. We actually quoted on an Excel sheet, and before the Excel sheet was created, we quoted on a Texas Instrument calculator. It was a long, drawn-out paper process to get accurate times quoted and back to the customer, and Paperless Parts has been able to streamline that process and minimize the chance of missing features that could be detrimental to profitability or lead time.
Paperless Parts has just made quoting easy. I don't spend nearly as much time calculating run times and capacity across the shop. The instantaneous time frames that Paperless Parts brings to the table and the calculations that Paperless Parts does has absolutely reduced the amount of time I have to sit staring at quotes. And when you're doing the amount of quotes that we do in a day, ease of use really comes as a premium to us.
One of the great things about Paperless compared to our old operating system is that the part recognition immediately lets me know, oh, this is a part we've done before. So I pull up that file, yep, just send that quote right out. I went from doing maybe 10 to 15 quotes a day to, on busy days, I'm doing 30 plus quotes.
One of the ways that Paperless Parts has really helped us out recently is we had a expedited hot job and a customer needed parts as fast as possible, and we were able to provide a quote less than 4 hours for something that would have probably taken us a day and a half to quote, and we were able to submit even with our customer service manager being off-site. Everything was still facilitated and made it to the customer, and ultimately won the job and saved the day for the customer.
We have a lot of really talented programmers and machinists at our disposal, and when you have a software that can keep up with those quoters, that can act as a valuable tool, it makes a big difference.
We've definitely seen happier customers. You know, we're getting things done faster, we're getting quotes back out faster, and we're getting more work. Once we show that we can get you a quote in under 4 hours and that we can manufacture that part as fast as you need it manufactured, people come back.
I think Paperless Parts would be a fantastic investment for anybody that's looking to solve issues with human error, being able to be more accurate and more consistent, and be able to capture any missed features based on geometries or multi-axis requirements.
I would definitely recommend Paperless Parts. It's given us a way more flexible approach to quoting. I would not ever go back to an Excel spreadsheet after doing Paperless Parts. It just makes you so much faster in quoting. Paperless Parts, it's a real game changer. I would definitely recommend Paperless Parts to anyone besides our competitors. Yeah, they don't need it.